Hello, I'm Emily Polk, and these are your CSR Minute headlines for Wednesday, August 19th. Bravo's hit series Top Chef will kick off the 6th season tonight with a premiere that features sustainability expert and renowned chef Preeti Mistry. Mistry brings a different background to the table. She is Bon Appetit Management Company's executive chef, overseeing a corporate dining room that serves 2,000 made-from-scratch, seasonal, farm-fresh meals. Mistry, who also runs Charlie's Cafe at Google's headquarters, has a wit as sharp as her knives and makes a strong run to be top chef. Tune into Bravo tonight to see how she does. Namaste Solar reports that its triple bottom line business plan is working very well. The Colorado company is one of 14 to make the latest Inc. magazine 500 list of the fastest growing companies in the U.S. Revenue rose 2,243% between 2003 and 2008 to a total of $14.5 million annually. Employee-owned and democratically run, the company's mission and its practices are in line and extremely profitable. For more information on these and other stories, go to thecsrminute.com.